Good afternoon. My name is Habeiber Harriet. I'm a teacher by profession and an actress. And today I decided to talk about endometriosis as a condition that is faced by women during their menstruation period. So I'm going to describe a little bit of what endometriosis is and talk about the signs that you experience during your periods. So I'll just dive in. Endometriosis is a painful disorder or a condition resulting from endometrial tissues appearing outside the uterus and causing pelvic pain, especially associated with menstruation. So if you are a lady out there and you go through painful menstruations every end of month, it is not the usual kind of pain you experience. You need to go get checked out. You need a physician, you need a doctor. So what I'm giving you here is a little bit of my research. If you will experience the signs I'm going to talk about, kindly go to your internet and search a little bit more for your information, or just go directly and see a doctor. So the signs one experiences which occur strictly during your periods. The first sign is long and heavy menses. This happens when you have your periods and it's extended. Normally our periods are supposed to be 3 to 4 days, if more 5, but you find out when you have endometriosis, your periods go even up to a week or 2 weeks and heavy. They are heavy. Your menses are normally heavy at this time. The second one is lower back pain or migraines during your periods. The third one is pain during and after sexual intercourse. It is not normal. The fourth one is painful bowel movements or urination during menstruation period. The fifth one, is excessive bleeding. This is experienced either between your first period and your second period. In between, you find yourself bleeding, which is also known as intermenstrual bleeding. So you have your periods end month, and then as you wait for the other one, you have another bleeding in between. It is not normal once again. And then we have infertility, which is mostly happens during the long run. When most women are trying to have kids and it's impossible for them, and they try seeking out infertility treatment, normally your doctor will diagnose you with endometriosis as a first diagnosis, because you didn't even realize it is a condition or a disorder that you're going through. So when you try having kids, you find out you cannot, so you decide to seek fertility treatment. We have number 7, allergies that occur during menstruation period that react really roughly on you when you're having your periods. Then we have this one seem like minor ones. It is hard for you to notice, but they still occur during your menstruation period. We have fatigue, we have diarrhea, we have constipation, we have bloating and nausea. So all these situations happen to you and you think they're minor or it's normal. It is not really normal. So I'll just like to encourage you outside there, if you've happen to have these signs, if you've experienced them, I would like to encourage you to seek out a physician, a gyna, talk to your friends who are doctors, let them dive you into more of the knowledge on endometriosis, and just try seeking a doctor. So all these signs do not actually occur when you have endometriosis. You might have 2, you might have 3, you might have all, but at the end of the day, they are related to endometriosis, so try get checked out. Finally, I would like to tell ladies that there are ladies who went through, who had signs of endometriosis when they were a little bit younger and before they gave birth. So after giving birth, the pain disappeared. So they keep telling you itaisha tu kiza. It doesn't happen to everyone. In as much as all of us are women, our bodies act differently, we stay in different environments, we eat different foods. So I like to encourage you to just go and get checked out. Stop listening to people, because in the long run it is you who is suffering and not them. Then again, most of you during your periods when they are painful, you tend to take tablets and go for injections, which will help you during that time, but in the long run it won't stop the pain completely. You need to go checked out and have a final solution for your endometriosis. You need to have again you need to have a strong support system during this time, because when you're going through all these signs, you bring out a different version of you is born, and you tend not to even understand yourself. So people around you need to understand what you're going through, so that they may help you during that condition. That could be your friend, your boyfriend, your mother, your parents. Generally, they need to help you during this situation. Finally, the reason I decided to do this video is because I decided to reach out to a large number of women out there who I don't talk to on normal basis, so that this video may reach out to them and understand what their body is just talking to them, and decide to have a solution to end everything once and for all. So talk to someone about it. I went through the same situation for more than 10 years without even realizing that it was a condition until someone else spoke to me. So because of that, I decided to just come out and speak and encourage someone. 10 years was hectic for me. It was trauma for me, but I came out of it, and now I'm okay, because I decided to go out and speak and get checked out. So do not keep quiet. Talk to people who have gone through it, or even doctors, and they're going to help you. Finally, you can go to my channel, like, share, subscribe. It's Habeiber Harriet. Till next time.